Fortusis actually was purchased ICED. It was a franchise that started about 50 years ago. They own all of the brands for Kwik Kopy, Franklin's, Inkwell, AWT, and a couple other locations that they had. We purchased that in 2018, and we now currently have about 30 locations of Kwik Kopys around the United States, mostly on the East Coast. But we are quick printers and just handle a lot of B2B business and also walk-ins. We've noticed that OnPrintShop, their web-to-print solution has really helped us, to be honest with you. A lot of our sales are web sales that we are starting to get now, and especially on those smaller sales, it's nice that they actually handle most of the so-called estimating of it. That the more products we get up, the more that the price is set and fixed, so that they're actually able to process most of the order by themselves. So I think that the thing that made us move to OnPrintShop was really the main dashboard, that we actually were able to share a lot of those products, and also the customization that they have. I mean, we work with our team there with Radix or OnPrintShop, and they're able to do custom development for us that fit our needs better. And we do that quite frequently. I think that we've seen our online sales grow consistently month over month for the past 2 years as we started implementing it. The great thing that we have is we'll have a solid center that builds their web to print solution, and then we can move on to the next location, so it continues just to grow. And I think most of our customers have been really happy with the transition. It's actually been really good to work with OnPrintShop, just to ease the process along for a lot of our customers to convert to a web-to-print solution. Yeah, on the support side, they've been great. We contact them probably every other week with something that we have found that either we need changed or that needs to be changed. But they've been very responsive. We work with Shrog and his team, and they're great. We really do love them. It is really nice. A lot of times we can submit things that need to be changed, and by the next morning they're done. So it's been really good.